Rise. How can you look taller right away? I'm going to share with you 5 tips how you can instantly, immediately gain 2 to 5 inches. So by the way, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming out every single week. Tip number 1, you want to have a strong posture. Now don't get me wrong, this tip will not instantly give you inches to your height. This is not the one. But to your perception, you will look a lot taller. I see it in my presentation workshops all the time, where our workshop participants, they come to the front, they give their presentation to the group. If they have a weak posture, what happens? They look shorter. Once we fix their posture, wow, they look so much taller. This was my personal issue in the past as well. I had a bad posture, so I would look much shorter than my actual height. My real height is 187, or in feet that's 6'1½", so I'm actually a pretty tall guy. But I wouldn't look like it until I worked on my posture. So for you as well, if you haven't done it yet, fix your posture. Your posture will make you look taller. Number 2, get your hair up. Your hair can add an instant inch to your height. Instantly. For some people, it's even 2 inches. Instantly. It's the easiest fix ever. Yeah, so if you want to gain some height, some perceived height especially, take care of your hair. Your hair should really face a little bit more upwards. Okay, talk to your hairdresser, your hair designer, and ask him or her, right? What should I do? How can I get a little bit, about an inch or a little bit more even of perceived height, getting my hairstyle a little bit more up? Number 3, more fitted clothes. Do you think these big shirts, the big suit, or the big sweater, or whatever it is you're wearing, the big jacket, do you think it makes you shorter or taller? Very obvious, it makes you look shorter. Yeah, so make sure you wear more fitted. You don't necessarily have to wear slim fitted clothes unless you want to. Yeah, but a little bit more fitted and instantly you actually do look taller. And this is virtually true for everybody. Yeah, so take a really good look at your wardrobe, at your closet. And check your clothes. Are they more fitted or are they wider? And even do a test one time. Do a test. Have a friend or a family member over and just, show them 2 outfits and ask them, which of these 2 actually makes me look taller? You will figure out the more fitted one gives you some extra height. Number 4, shoes with thick soles. Now, not like the one that I have here, but actually thicker. A lot of shoes nowadays, they have really, really thick soles, and you can easily choose the one with the thicker soles. But this should easily add an inch to your height if you choose the right thickness. The other extra tip, of course, is to have the thicker insoles. Wow! If you go to Amazon one time and you type in insoles for shoes for men, extra height or something, wow, unbelievable how much height you could actually gain. Of course, you still have to walk comfortably, so you can test out different thicknesses, but this trick alone can easily add an extra inch, even 2 inches to your height, if you do it well, if you do it right. Number 5, lengthen your legs. Now, you know this, but people who have longer legs are perceived as taller instantly. Now this is a big challenge for those of us who have shorter legs, and the middle part of your body is longer. So in your case, you really got to watch out what kind of pants, what kind of jeans you buy. And most of the time you want to go for a little bit more high-rise jeans or high-rise pants, high-waist jeans or high-waist pants. Never the low-waist one, because those usually make the legs instantly shorter. And if you already have short legs, that will make you look like you are even shorter than you actually are. I know you're thinking right now, what are you talking about, man? High-waist pants? Am I Steve Urkel? No, you don't have to go this far. Yeah, but just be a little bit more aware when you buy your pants, when you buy your jeans, that you have to consider the waist of them very, very much. So comment below one time, which of these 5 tips are you going to use right away to gain some extra height or to look and be perceived as taller than you actually are. Yeah, by the way, if you haven't done it yet, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Lots of great videos coming up. If you like this video, you can click like it as well. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.